Again, if you were in pre-calculus and someone could you graph this out, I want to point out there are some troubles with this. As written, if someone said, could you graph that out? The first thing I would do is look at the domain of the problem, right? So I'm going to say the domain of this thing is all the real numbers. X cannot be 5. X cannot be minus 2. They're the two big restrictions on it. Then it kind of, clear things out. I'm not going to say it's going to get much better, but, multiply both top and bottom by what's called a minor LCD. Remember, we did that before, and I'm going to say that this thing over here is equivalent to, let's see, x minus 5. Well, I'm going to really simplify it. We found that it's equivalent through a lot of manipulations, by the way, of 1 over 7 times x plus 2, right? Now, granted, when I say it's equivalent to that, provided x is not equal to, what two numbers I say? It can't be 5 and it can't be minus 2. All right? And you get a graph of it. This is a relatively simple graph. I want to look at the graph, though, kind of quickly, and this is the graph over here, right? And I got it, a point over here. What's the point going to be? The point I'm looking at is at minus 5, right? So what's that point going to be at minus 5? Let's write this down. I'm sorry, not at minus 5, it's 5. Plug it in. What do you get? You get 1 over 49. All right? That's what that open circle is. But again, let's talk about using software. I'm using Sage. Reset, define a variable, define a function as written. This is the function as written, by the way. Look at the limit as you approach 5 from the left and right, and at 5. And by the way, I'm sorry, I made a mistake over here. This is going to be, let me see if oh, you know what? I see the mistake I made. This is actually minus 1 over here. Sorry about that. Okay, so getting the limit, it should be minus 1 over 49, by the way. And, by the way, we did it without any software, without any, drawing pictures. Minus 149, minus 1 over 49. All three cases. All right? Thank you.